Don't send the family out the door hungry. Here's a quick and homemade tomato soup that also has a festive twist. Camille Thomson has this Halloween Day recipe. It's great to have you.
Yes,
Happy Halloween.
Thank you.
Is this a fun holiday for you?
Yes, I love Halloween. I get into mostly, not really the costumes, but I love the Halloween food.
The touches, which is why you're here. It's perfect to have you in our kitchen on this day. And really, we do need to fill those bellies before they load up on sugar, depending on how you...
soup is perfect because it's warm, and then they can go out into the cold and get all their candy.
Okay, well, you're going to show us some fun toppings that make this tomato soup Halloween appropriate. But first, start with the soup base. What goes into this? Okay,
so this is my favorite tomato soup recipe. All my neighbors rave about this tomato soup. It is just fresh tomatoes, basil. This recipe is on my blog. And then you just blend it up in the blender with a couple other ingredients. It's super easy, and it's so delicious. I can't get over it.
Well, my mouth is watering just smelling and hearing you describe it. And tomato soup is one of my favorites. And I think we say the word homemade in front of the word soup, and we automatically think it's intimidating or over the top. But you say just a blender, you're good to go.
Yes, it's really easy.
Okay.
So,
now let's get to the fun part, shall we? We've got Camille's awesome tomato soup recipe to fill up our bones, no pun intended. Now show us how to finish this off in a fun way.
Okay, so there are these Halloween cake pans all over. I've seen them at Orson Gigi, Williams Sonoma online, and they have all different shapes. There's mummies, tombstones. These are skulls.
Okay.
And usually you think of making cake with them or little cupcakes, but why not dinner can be cute too, so why not put dinner in them? So today we're gonna make some cheesy skull croutons for the soup, but you could also fill these with pizza toppings or chicken, a chicken pot pie filling. That would be really good. So you could do a ton with this.
I like your defense of dinner. Dinner can be cute too, people. Don't just save it for the cupcakes. Okay, so you're keeping it simple though.
Yeah, so this is just canned pizza dough. We're not that fancy. I know that you guys are gonna be trying to get your kids all out the door, so.
This always scares me. This is worse than a popping balloon right now. Here it comes, go. Oh, okay. I don't know why. I don't know why that's so frightening. Okay.
So we just take the pizza dough out.
Uh-huh.
We can get it out of its container.
You say you're keeping it easy, but you are adding a filling, I understand.
Yeah, but it's just cheese.
But it's just cheese. Okay.
Yes, it's just cheese. So it's kind of like, people have grilled cheese and tomato soup. And so this is kind of just that, but a little twist with the Halloween skull.
A variation on that classic combo.
Yeah, so all we do is we cut this into 6 pieces because we have our 6 skulls. So kind of just eyeball that.
Doesn't have to be perfect.
Nope.
Are you dressing up this year, Camille?
I don't know. I'll probably do a really lame last minute
Still thinking about it? All right.
Yeah. It's kind of weird when you are married but you don't have kids, so you're like, what do you do?
Do we get into this or not? I know I was there for a couple years too.
So I sprayed the cooking spray all over the pan.
Okay.
And then you just push your pizza dough down into the skull.
Will it automatically take shape, or do you need to really press it down there so it's getting the details?
So once you put the cheese in and then you fold it all over, then you can kind of push it down and
throw some cheese in this guy.
So yeah, we'll just grab.
I mean, conveniently the cheese is orange. It's like it was meant to be.
Yeah, seriously.
Okay, and this is where you kind of can get handsy with it.
And then you just kind of go like this. Make sure to pinch all the edges together so that this cheese doesn't start
escaping
out. Yeah.
Okay.
So, and then you can just push it down like that, and then.
Do you brush that with anything before you bake it?
No, it comes out really nice and golden brown.
May I?
Yes.
These look, almost too creepy to eat. Ooh, they're warm too. Are you kidding me? Oh, stop. That's money right there. Anyone else hungry? Anyone? Just me? Okay, fine. Oh, that tastes good too.
Yes. They are so easy and seriously so fun. People will be like, oh my gosh, how did you make those?
Oh my gosh.
Just this.
How did you make that? Just this. Yeah. Studio 5 and Camille, that's all you need. All right, and show us how you finish off the soup too.
Yes, so I'll dish up some soup over here.
Yes, please.
This is just a really cute spider web detail that you can put on any kind of soup. I know people have their go-to soup recipes that they like to have.
This is just one of those details that I think puts you automatically in the file of Fun Mom. Just that small, subtle detail.
Yes, and it's so easy. It's just sour cream.
Okay.
And I just put it in a little baggie and cut the top off. And then you just do a swirl like that. And then just take a toothpick.
You just went from Halloween foodie to freeform artist.
Just go like this.
There it is.
And it's super easy. And then it makes that spider web in your soup bowl.
A sour cream spider web.
Yes.
2 easy ways to finish off a delicious Halloween dinner before the kids load up on the sugar. You mentioned the recipe for the soup is on your blog. Where can we find you?
My blog is CamilleIam.com. It's Camille and then IAM.com.
All right, good luck on that last minute costume. We'll link you over to her website at our website, studio5.ksl.com. Just click on the recipe tab. Happy Halloween. Thank you for being here.